Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're addressing today is the floppy screen on your Lenovo ThinkPad. This problem arises when the hinges become loose or the screen assembly is damaged, causing the screen to tilt back too easily. If left unchecked, this can lead to further damage, including a cracked screen or issues with the display connection. Let's get started on resolving this problem. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement hinge set, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Gently turn your ThinkPad upside down and use the plastic opening tool to pry off the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the hinges. They are usually secured by screws that can be found at the base of the screen. Carefully unscrew these using your Phillips screwdriver, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, gently lift the screen from the base, taking care not to strain the attached cables. Disconnect the display cable by gently pulling it from its socket. Ensure you do this slowly to avoid damage. Now, it's time to replace the hinges. Take your new hinge set and align it with the mounting points on the screen and base. Secure them with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, to prevent future loosening. Once the hinges are secured, reconnect the display cable, ensuring it's firmly seated in its socket. Now, it's time to reassemble your ThinkPad. Place the back cover back on, pressing firmly to ensure all clips are engaged. Finally, turn your device back over and power it on to check that the screen operates smoothly without any wobble. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections and screws. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure that you handle your laptop with care, avoid putting excessive pressure on the screen, and consider regular maintenance checks. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.